Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today I'm going to be doing my regular cash stuffing in my wallet, my high priority, and my sinking funds. Today is August 2nd, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let me start by counting up our money. Okay, so we have $274 today. So we're gonna start with my wallet. I have a few dollars left over in my wallet. 10, 14, 10, 11, 12. $12 left over. So I'm gonna set that to the side. That's kind of like a combination of all the things. Groceries is gonna get 60 this week. I'm hoping that we can make it on that. We got a lot of groceries from Costco last week, so I think we have like plenty of food in the house, which is good. Gas is getting 25, and dining out is getting 30. Okay, so that's my wallet. Done. Next, we're moving to our high priority binder. In this one, we're going to save $10 for my cell phone bill, which is coming up in a couple weeks, in August at some point. So $10. We have 150, 70, 90, and 200. I'm going to color in one of these cell phones. Each one of these cell phones represents $10. And the one that has a star on it is where we need to get to by the time the bill is due. So next week we'll get to that, and I think we will have 1 week extra before the bill is due. So that is awesome. Next is my hair. We are adding $10 to this, so we have 30 in there now. Next is my car insurance. I never cleaned this off again. But our goal is basically 1,000. So we're adding 50, 2 20s and a 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 680, which is amazing. I can't remember when exactly it's due, but the way that I calculate it is I look at the due date, I determine how many weeks I have until the bill is due, and then I figure out how much money I need to save per week to hit that amount by the due date. The next envelope is business. We are adding $20 to that today. I had to pull some out because I was buying laminating pouches and cardstock and some other things. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 70. And then taxes is getting 14. The way that I calculate that is basically whatever I earn during the week, I just take about 20% of that. So taxes, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope that that's a good way to do it. If you guys save for taxes and you have like a business or whatever and you save taxes on the side, tell me like how much I should be saving. I'm not really sure. I was doing like 20% of what I make. So, and I don't know, hopefully that's enough, but let me know what you think. Okay, so that was our high priority. Next, we're gonna move into sinking funds. I just have $35 here. I have some 5s and some 1s. So I'm just gonna go through and see where I want to add some sinking funds. Okay, I'm definitely gonna add $5 to entertainment, just because that is a big one for Aria and I. We are constantly, you know, we like having fun. So we're gonna say +5. So we have 37 now. It's actually plus 10, because when I did this earlier, I didn't realize there was a 5 like sticking on the back of the envelope. So I needed to actually account for that extra 5. Okay, so that has 42 now, which is great. So hold on, I'm just gonna keep track of, I added 5 to that, so we have 30 left. All right, I'm gonna add 5 to clothing. So this has 30. Okay, I'm gonna add 5 to self-care. Trying to keep it balanced and see, you know, keep them, everyone's around 30-ish. So I'm trying to kind of even it out with the envelopes that don't have that amount. Okay, so wellness only has 19. So let's add 10 to this one. This is for like doctors' copays and stuff and medicine, whatever. So it's an important one. It's my least favorite one probably because it's boring, but okay, and then we have 10 left. So we have 29 in this. Everyone has about 40 or about 30. I'm gonna add 2 to gifts, and that will get it to exactly 30. Okay, I'm gonna add one to household. Actually, let's do 6 to household. And then we have 2 left. Let's throw those 2 in. Let's do the craft. Where's the craft? Let's do this craft envelope. This is kind of low priority for me. Just because I feel like I do enough crafting with like the stuff that I make for my Etsy store. Like that is my like crafty thing that I have going on. And it feels like a hobby, but it's a side gig, you know, but it allows me to get that creative energy out, which is cool. Okay, and then in this envelope, we are going to put the $12 that I had left over from my wallet. This is going to go to our monthly savings at the end of this month. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.